Hello students, welcome back to the second session of cloud computing. Last Monday, during the very first session of cloud computing, we discussed about the course policy and we learned about what is cloud computing and the motivation and the business drivers which led to the evolution and the growth of cloud computing. During the session, we came across many terms for which we were curious to know more. And these terms were related to the domain of cloud computing. So, taking forward from that point, in tomorrow's session, I'm going to cover meaning of various terms related to cloud computing. So as said before, my session would be divided into 4 parts, each of 15 minutes. So the very first capsule of 15 minutes will finish the backlog work of what was unfinished in session 1 due to the slight delay due to technical reasons. So the very first 15-minute capsule, 10 minutes I will be discussing about the business drivers which led to the evolution and the growth of cloud computing. 2-3 minutes thereafter, you will take a engaging quiz, a small exercise related to the part first of session 2. 2 minutes thereafter would be for question answers if there are any. The second part of my session, we are going to discuss about what terms or rather I'll say in this manner, the terms related to cloud computing for which we need to know more. So we'll understand the meaning of these terms such that this will lay the foundation to have a smooth ride throughout the upcoming sessions. As conceptually, things will get more clear, which helps in understanding the future sessions. After the second part, there will be again an engaging quiz of 4 or 5 questions, which the students will be taking on Moodle in our LMS. The third part would be mostly related to the benefits of cloud computing, because you are aware, or the desired features of cloud computing. As you are aware, businesses would make decisions to migrate to the cloud when there is a substantial financial benefits associated with it. So it's essential, or we can say it's utmost important to understand the benefits which comes in when business houses migrate to the cloud. So as I said, my third part would be related to discussing these aspects. Thereafter, we may have instead of exercise, we may have a case study, a short video. The final part of my session, which may be 10 minutes short, But I'm going to share you a case study for reading purpose, where you will read at your own pace and you will be answering the questions, embedded questions, which which would be embedded inside your case study. So this case study would be hosted on the course page in week 1 of my course site, which is hosted on Moodle LMS. So in day 2, you have to take this case study. This case study is a rollover from the previous session, as we were not able to complete last time discussing this particular case study. Last 5 minutes will be open for questions. Thank you, friends. See you tomorrow in my class.